Okay, this is kind of an unusual post for me, but we recently stayed in the most amazing 2-bedroom suite at Disneyland, at the Disneyland Resort, and so I thought I would just do a quick room tour. We were actually on the top floor, which is where all the specialty suites were, and it's where like the concierge lounge is as well. We did not have that, but it was just really cool to see all these other rooms because they all have custom doors as well. If you've ever wondered what a 2-bedroom connecting family suite looks like in the Disneyland Hotel, I will give you a tour. So you enter into this living room area. So there's no kitchen, but there's a living room here, and that pulls out into a sofa sleeper. I think one of these chairs might also, I'm not positive. There's a little seating area, and we're on the 11th floor, and this room has the most incredible view. No balcony, but it has an insane view, like a full panoramic view of both parks and downtown Disney. Just incredible. It's gonna be really cool at night. Little coffee station, and then right by the entrance, there's a small powder room. So first here's a closet. Let's take a look. Nice little closet here. And this is the powder room. Such a cute detail here. Love that. Really nice. Definitely feels like it's been remodeled in this room. We are in 2963 and 2965. Okay, so I'm gonna take you into this room. This is actually the master, but it's configured with 2 queens. So it's got a little hanging area here, good place to store your luggage. And then it's got 2 platform beds here. Doesn't look like there's enough space underneath to put luggage, but it's got awesome Disney theming and another TV, chest of drawers, a little stool area, desk, same totally insane view. Again, no balcony, nice chair, really good sized room. And then let's go to the other bedroom. Living room is gigantic. I think there is gonna be let's look. I think there's gonna be like a fridge over here because there's no kitchen, but I would imagine, yeah. So you've got your fridge here. They probably bring up a microwave for you if you wanted it. So cute. Hidden Mickeys here. Okay, and this is room 2965. Has its own entrance here. They do have connecting doors here that I unlocked. And this has 1 king bed. It's got a desk, and it probably also has a fridge here. Okay, so it's got a really nice sleeper sofa. It's gonna fold out. Again, the same totally incredible view. And the awesome themed bed, which is gonna be so cute at night. This is a king size bed, and actually this bed does have the taller rise, so you're gonna be able to put your suitcases and stuff down there. And this also has a larger closet than the other room. Oh, it has robes. That's nice. Okay, so a good sized closet. And then let's take a look at the bathroom. Unlike the other one, is divided, so it's a lot smaller, but it has the divided like powder room area separate from the shower, which is really nice for getting ready in the morning. It's got the super cute Disney theming on these little sconces. Plenty of room. It's definitely smaller than the other one, but not a big deal. Look at that cute hidden Mickey. Best part about this room though is this incredible view. And the only thing that would make it better would be a balcony, but it's gonna be pretty awesome regardless. You can just see everything here. There's the Matterhorn. You can see Star Wars Land over here, Space Mountain. I can't see the castle. There's the Grand Californian, and then you've got a good view of California Adventure. There's Cars Land, the Incredicoaster, Ferris wheel, Pixar Place Hotel. Just a really beautiful view. It's gonna be so pretty at night.